Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a Q&A from my fans, my 5 subscribers. This is basically like just a Q&A that I'm going to be reading my comments from people. So let's get right into it. So first, Iitzsadie. Iitzsadie is my friend. Make sure you subscribe to her. Link in the description. And yeah. So Sadie says, right, let me check. It says, "Good job, Mackay. Well done on YouTube. Keep up the good work." She said good things about me because she subscribed to me, she liked my video, she commented on it, and she won the giveaway as well. So if you want to win the giveaway, just like, subscribe and comment. And next is Joshua. It's Joshua. He says, where is it? He says, "Make sure you subscribe to Mackay. He's doing really well. Mackay, what's going to be your next video?" Well, thank you, it's Joshua, whatever his name is. My next video will be probably the 5 subscriber special. I know that's not a lot, but it means a lot to me. 5 subscribers in a month. So guys, next we're going to move on to, oh flip, I'm in the car by the way, if you can tell. Suzanne King. She says, "Mackay, I know who you are." Oh yeah, she knows who I am because that's Josh is my friend, and that's his mum. So you're very good at YouTube. Keep up the good work. It's basically all the same comments. So yeah, so thank you, Suzanne King. Thank you. Right, moving on to Andrew Connor Wilson. Wheeze. The hell? Wilson. I don't even know who that is. Right, shout out Andrew Wilson something, tongue twister. Well, yeah, my mum's just gone to the doctors for some reason, don't know why. Well, thank you, Andrew. And have you subscribed to me yet? You better have. Alright, guys, moving on to the last 3 comments. I don't know why I put 4, but yeah. Right, next by Iitzsadie, another one. Jake Paul is for life. Yeah, Jake Paul is for life, that's for sure. And are you a Jake Pauler? If you are a Jake Pauler, subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, you can still subscribe to my channel because I don't flipping care. Alright, last 2 comments. Another one by Andrew. "You have disrespected YouTube." No, Andrew, how dare you can say that? You ain't even got a YouTube channel. You don't know how it feels like, bruh. Oh. Too hype. Alright, last comment. Please be a good one. Right. Another one by Sadie. She said, what does that say? Oh, Jake Paulers, Team 10, Tessa Brooks, Chance, Anthony, and she said I forgot the rest of them. So, well done. You're not a Jake Pauler, are you? Because you don't know who the Team 10 is. Well, you do, but you don't know all of them, do ya? Alright, that's it for today, guys. Q&A. If you want a part 2, subscribe, like and comment. It's every day, bro. Peace.